let's try to understand what SQL is. Okay, in order to understand what SQL is, let's take an example. Now we are taking an example of a school. Let's suppose school is there and there are multiple classes where you are studying, and now there are registered maintained for each and every class. That is basically used to capture all the details like your name, your roll number, your marks and everything. So now your parents uh, came to your school in order to check the marks that is given to you in the unit test. Now the principal of the college, if he want to obtain your marks, what he will instruct the peon, he will tell him, okay, now go to class 7th D and bring the register, and with the help of that he can be able to figure out your marks and tell it to your parents. Now on a high level, the principal is instructing the peon to capture to secure the register that will eventually help him track down your marks. In order to instruct him, he have used a language. Okay, in his case it could be English, but generally if you think about it, similar language which we use to communicate our queries, like our the communication that we do with the database, that is what we which is equivalent to this scenario where the principal is talking to the peon in an English language. So the language which is used for you to communicate with the database, it is called SQL, structured query language. I think it makes a lot of sense. Now let's start comparing the school. Okay, so the register is more like the database. Okay, now inside that you can see the information is there for each and every class, that are like tables, and inside that talking about the data inside that, that is name, roll number and marks, that it will be the information. In SQL terms we call it data. So I think this gives you a good brief introduction about what SQL is and what are tables and what are the data that we talk about. Thank you. See you in the other video.